Okay, my hair is crazy in this whole video. I'm sorry, I just realized I need an intro for this. I went on a whole entire rant about the envelope system and I was going to put it in a budgeting video, and then I realized this is actually a video all on its own. So after I rewatched it, I noticed my hair looked exactly how it just looked, but it was like sticking out over here. Anyway, so this is the intro for it. These are my thoughts on the envelope system. I'm all about the envelope system. I'm a huge Dave Ramsey fan. Like, he is a known name in my house. Like, we're not having a conversation without me bringing him up. So I am huge into the envelope system if you guys are diligent about it. If you're not diligent about it and you're just going to have fancy envelopes, spend a lot of money on them, which again, stop doing stuff like that. And then you're gonna just take them wherever you want and just pull out of each one and just have no regard for it. Why are you wasting your time? Why are you wasting anything? Like, that won't work for you unless you're very strong-willed and very precise and you're not trying to cheat yourself. Because that's what it is, right? If you are spending money, I saw a quote somewhere, maybe it was Dave Ramsey, and it said the more money you spend on things you don't need, the more you're just cheating yourself. And it's so true. So what I really want to say is, if you guys are into the envelope system, which is a Dave Ramsey thing, which I totally support. I think it's awesome if you guys do it the right way and you don't try to lie to yourself, because that's it too. Like, who do you actually think you're fooling? You're just fooling yourself. You're not fooling anybody else when, you know, you're just lying to yourself. But anyway, you don't have to invest in fancy envelopes. You don't have to laminate them and spend money on envelopes, like, because now you're just dealing with a wallet. At that point, like, if you're gonna get like a leather envelope holder, it's a wallet. Why are you spending your money on that? You can literally just buy like 100 envelopes and they're like 50 cents and you can have them for like a lifetime and you just write on them. And the whole point of the envelope system is that you're not bringing it everywhere you go with you, because then that leads you to temptation of pulling out of different envelopes to pay for things that you want on a whim. The whole point of the envelope system is to have it tucked away somewhere and only take it with you when you're going somewhere. So for example, ours are in our safe, and when we go food shopping, we take the food envelope. That's it. We're not taking all the envelopes. We're not taking an envelope that we have set aside for when we have to get the rest of the house sheetrocked. Why would I take that with me? Why do I need to buy a leather case that holds all the envelopes if I only need to take one envelope with me when I go somewhere? That doesn't make any sense. It's just setting yourself up for temptation, and then you're investing in this leather envelope holder, or you're creating an envelope holder in a binder, and you're just wasting money. Like, here's my question. What budget does that come out of? When you buy a leather envelope holder, or when you start laminating and buying stickers, what budget does that come out of? The extra money? Because you're not supposed to have extra money to spend on stuff like this if you're trying to get out of debt. So I feel like I am getting way too passionate about this. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake, and stop spending money on envelopes and lamination and on leather wallets that hold envelopes, and just stop setting yourself up for failure. Set yourself up for success. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.